Taking a look at HBAR, we can see that HBAR has had a monster retracement to the upside. It looks like you briefly got over the 786 at 32, and now we're back below it. So we can obviously label this 32-cent range and argue that as long as HBAR is below 32 cents, there is no reason to assume that the move up will continue. Now, obviously, if you pull your fib to the downside here, you can see that 47 to 63 cents would be the next macro resistance. And unironically, if you pull your fib from this new downtrend to the high here, you can see that your new set of resistance levels are also inside of this box, which would indicate that whenever H-bar goes up for another move, the next area to watch would be 50 to 66 cents. Now, obviously, if you get through that, you could look for $1. And if you pull your fib back up to the high here, you can see again there's an area of interest between 123 and 150. Now, on the flip side, as long as H bar is actually below 33 cents, you can actually see that the 618 and the 786 are actually near the similar level on the smaller time frame, which from the all-time high down to the low, we already highlighted 32 cents is in play as resistance. You can see the same concept is true on the small time frame, where you take your fib from the high down to the low, and 33 to 40, or excuse me, 29 cents, or 29 cents, sorry, are also in play, which would indicate that as long as H bar is below this level of about 33 to 29 cents, it is actually considered bearish. Now, on the flip side, when we get through this, or if you get through this for that matter, again, you could be looking for 50 cents and potentially 67 cents. Now, if the selling continues for the market, then the next support for H bar is down at 14 cents. As always, none of this is financial advice.